In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Google Sheets, providing you with a simple and efficient way to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. If you're interested in harnessing the full potential of customized triggers, such as monitoring new tasks or tracking completed projects, Zapier is your go-to tool. This integration not only saves time, but also ensures your data flows seamlessly between platforms, keeping your projects nicely synchronized. To start, head over to Zapier's website. If you're new to Zapier, you'll need to sign up and create an account. For those who already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to create what's known as a Zap. Go ahead and click on Create a Zap to initiate a new automation process. Now let's move on to setting up the Asana trigger. Within Zapier, select Asana as the trigger app. This means you'll be using Asana as the source of data or actions you want to track. After selecting Asana, choose the specific trigger event you're interested in, such as new task. By setting this trigger, Zapier will listen for any new tasks that appear in Asana. Next, you'll need to connect your Asana account so that Zapier can access your data. Once connected, you'll select the Asana project you want to monitor. This allows you to specify which project's activities should trigger actions in your setup. With the trigger set, it's time to decide on the action you want in Google Sheets. Choose Google Sheets as the action app. This is where the information from Asana will be directed. After you've selected Google Sheets, determine the action you'd like to happen every time the trigger activates. For instance, you might choose to create spreadsheet row. This action will add new rows in your spreadsheet each time a new task appears in the Asana project you're monitoring. You'll now need to connect your Google account to enable Zapier to access your spreadsheets. Once connected, choose the specific spreadsheet where you want the data to be sent. The next step is crucial: mapping fields. You will map Asana task fields, such as the task name, due date, and status, to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheets. This ensures that data is transferred accurately and organized just how you need it. After everything is set up, run a quick test. This will check if your integration is correctly configured and confirm that Asana data is successfully updating in Google Sheets. If the test passes and you see the data flow as expected, then you're set. Finally, to complete your setup, click Publish to activate your automation. Congratulations, you have now integrated Asana with Google Sheets, elevating your project management workflow through automation. Enjoy the efficiency and organization this integration brings to your tasks.